In this video, I'll show you how to install and use Postman in Windows 10 and 11. To install and use Postman on Windows 10 or 11, go ahead and open Postman official website on your browser. So first and foremost, you'll need to download Postman. So you need to visit their official website on your browser. Now open your browser, and in here, as you can see, you'll be able to find the Postman's official website. So in here, go ahead and click on this product button and click on this download Postman button. Now, once you have downloaded the version of Postman compatible to your device, go ahead and run the installer. Double click the executable file you downloaded and follow the installation prompts. After that, you'll need to create an account, sign up for a free Postman account, or log in if you already have one. Now, go ahead and explore the interface of Postman. Familiarize yourself with the workspace, collections, and environments. Create a workspace, set up workspace for your API testing projects, test APIs, enter the request URL of the API you want to test, and choose the HTTP method, and click send to view the response. And that's basically how you install and use Postman in Windows 10 and 11. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.